What if I told you that one simple activity could improve your memory, sharpen your focus, boost your mood, and help keep your brain healthier as you age? Yet most people only see it as a game. It isn't a supplement, it isn't a medication, and it certainly isn't one of those expensive brain training apps. In fact, millions of people have been using it for decades without realizing what it's actually doing to their brains. And right now, as millions of fans around the world are glued to the World Cup, scientists believe there may be another reason to appreciate the beautiful game. Beyond the drama, the goals, and the trophies, football might actually be one of the most powerful workouts for the human brain. It's football. And according to Neuroscience, every match you play may be physically reshaping your brain for the better. It's football. And according to Neuroscience, every match you play may be physically reshaping your brain for the better. Most people think football is simply about scoring goals, staying fit, or having fun with friends. But modern neuroscience suggests something much bigger is happening. Nearly 70% of football's long-term benefits may occur inside the brain. Every time you step onto a football field, your brain is performing hundreds of tasks simultaneously. You scan the field, track moving players, predict where the ball will go, control emotions under pressure, communicate with teammates, and make decisions in fractions of a second. This constant mental challenge activates a process called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize and strengthen itself by creating new neural connections. Think of it as upgrading the brain's internal wiring system. The more frequently these pathways are used, the stronger and faster they become. Scientists have discovered that physical activity increases the production of a protein known as Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, or BDNF. Doctors often call BDNF fertilizer for the brain. It helps existing neurons survive, encourages the growth of new brain cells, and improves communication between neurons. Football may stimulate BDNF particularly well because it combines physical movement with strategy, anticipation, timing, teamwork, and rapid decision-making. Unlike running on a treadmill, football constantly forces your brain to adapt. 1 second you're defending. The next second you're attacking. You must read body language, predict opponents' intentions, and react almost instantly. Over time, this may improve attention span, working memory, processing speed, and decision-making skills. Researchers have also observed positive changes in a structure deep inside the brain called the hippocampus. The hippocampus plays an essential role in learning and memory formation. Studies suggest that regular aerobic exercise may help maintain a healthier hippocampus and potentially reduce age-related cognitive decline. Football also has a remarkable impact on mental health. During play, the brain releases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. Dopamine increases motivation and creates a sense of reward. Serotonin helps regulate mood. Endorphins generate feelings of happiness while reducing the perception of pain. At the same time, physical activity lowers cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Lower cortisol levels are associated with better sleep, improved emotional control, and greater resilience to stress. Football offers another advantage that many people overlook: human connection. Passing the ball, celebrating goals, working together toward a shared objective. These social interactions activate brain networks involved in empathy, trust, and emotional intelligence. Children who participate in team sports often develop stronger communication skills and higher self-confidence. Adults may experience fewer feelings of loneliness and anxiety. Now, that's the brain side of the story. But football also provides significant physical benefits. It strengthens the heart, improves lung capacity, enhances balance, coordination, and agility, helps maintain a healthy body weight, and increases muscular endurance. Better cardiovascular health means more oxygen and nutrients can reach the brain, supporting long-term cognitive performance. Perhaps the most fascinating discovery is this: your brain never truly stops changing. Whether you're 10 years old, 35, or even 70, your brain still has the ability to adapt, learn, and build stronger neural networks. And football provides many of the ingredients needed for that transformation: movement, challenge, competition, emotion, strategy, and connection. So the next time someone says, "Football is just a game," remember this: every sprint, every pass, every tackle, and every goal may be doing much more than helping you win a match. It may be helping your brain become healthier, sharper, and more resilient for decades to come. And if you're fascinated by how science, the brain, and human behavior shape our everyday lives, consider subscribing to the channel. There's still so much left to discover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.